This is really good, this hoisin and chili chicken. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Well, it's just about ready. I've got the rice over there and I'll see you in a little bit, hammerheads. Well, there it is. Yeah, and I will eat this with chopsticks. Well, I might as well pretend that I'm in China, eh? Yeah, well, this is chicken, green peppers, onions, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, fresh chilies. You know, my home version of hoisin sauce. Bit of this, bit of that. Some shui swing fucking rice wine and all the rest of it. So, I'm going to enjoy this. See you later, hammerheads.